welcome to my video. I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and today I'm going to be doing our April's Club Couture transfer for 2022. It is called Keep Growing, and if you're a club member, you get the transfer. It's an exclusive transfer for designers and club members. You get 3 paste packets. The paste you will be getting when we talk today: Pesto, Tide, and Shimmer Melon. I'm going to be using these 3 colors today. And let's see. I'm going to be putting it on our Chalk Couture Sylvie Black framed 9x12. Also, if you want to know what the benefits of being a club member, you get, of course, the exclusive transfer that is only designers and club members with 3 paste packets. It's $19.99 a month, and it is a minimum of 3 months. You get flat rate shipping, $4.95 US and $9.95 Canadian. You also get exclusive deals. Not every month, but most months they have special offers for just club members only. And this month they actually have a really good deal. You can get a Couture Aiden Sylvie white frame. It is, show it to you. It is a 9x12. And if you spend $75 US or $94 Canadian, it'll prompt you and ask if you're a club member, prompt you and ask if you want to put this in your cart for 50% off. And that's a really good deal, and this is a very nice frame. So that is the deal for the month. And of course that is $75 or $94 before taxes and shipping are included in that. So, I guess we should get started. Our club transfer, and hope you enjoyed it. And if you're interested in becoming a club member or a designer like me, or interested in buying any of my products on my site, all the details are below. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you all in the next video. Bye!